In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoho Books automatic reminders. This feature is a fantastic tool for ensuring that you never miss sending an important invoice reminder to your clients or a payment reminder for your bills. It seamlessly handles mundane follow-up tasks, allowing you to focus more on the strategic aspects of your business. First, we'll start by navigating to the Reminders section. Head over to Settings, which you can find in the top right corner of your screen. Once you're in Settings, look for the Reminders section that's housed under Reminders and Notifications. Simply click on it, and you'll be where you need to start setting up those crucial reminders. Next, it's important to select the module you want to work with. Here, you have two main options. If you're looking to set up reminders for customer invoices, you'll want to click the Invoices tab. On the other hand, if you're hoping to keep track of your own bills, select the Bills tab. This choice allows Zoho Books to tailor the reminders specifically to your needs, catering to both sides of your financial operations. Now, let's dive into configuring your automated reminders. If you've already created reminders in the past and wish to modify them, find the desired reminder and use the toggle switch to turn it on. Alternatively, you can create a fresh reminder by clicking on Plus New Reminder. This button is conveniently located beneath the Reminders based on Due Date section, giving you easy access to initiate a new cycle of notifications. For a new reminder, you'll want to start by giving it a meaningful name. This will help you easily identify its purpose in the future. Next, decide on the recipients for these reminders. You could choose to send them to the customer, yourself, or even both, depending on what best suits your accounting practices. Then, set a schedule by determining how many days before or after the due date the reminders should go out. This puts you in control of the timing to ensure it aligns with your business processes. Once you've set the schedule, selecting the From address is essential. Choose the email address from which the reminder will be sent. This could be your company's main email to ensure brand consistency. Now, let's move on to customizing the message itself. You'll want to edit both the subject line and the content body of the email to reflect your brand's unique voice. This personal touch helps maintain a professional image even in automated communications. You can also make your reminders more dynamic by using placeholders such as /balance or /invoice URL. This feature automatically pulls in real-time data for personalized messaging. Finally, after tailoring your reminder to meet your needs, don't forget to enable it. Ensure the Enable this reminder option is checked and hit Save to activate your perfectly crafted automatic reminders. With these steps, you'll be able to manage your invoicing and billing tasks with precision and ease, all thanks to Zoho Books.